Hi there, welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of the song Dream Lover by Bobby Darin. The GCEA version of this play-along has been out on the UkePlayAlongs channel for a very long time, but what I am doing is going back and making additional resources for the songs that were just for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele, because I do make baritone play-alongs. I make song charts or chord charts or tabs available at UkeStuff.info, and of course I record a tutorial like this for every song. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the chords you need to play the song Dream Lover on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Then I will demonstrate the chords you need to play the song on baritone DGBE ukulele, and then I'll talk about strumming. If you want to support the work that I do here on YouTube and in the ukulele world, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, the UkePlayAlongs channel and the UkeStuff channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. You can also make a donation right here on YouTube. I also have a number of books available for purchase. You can find those at Apple Books, Amazon Kindle, in print from Amazon, and on buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. Let's begin with the chords you need to play the song Dream Lover on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. I'll be using my Kamaka HP1L. This is a soprano body with a concert neck, and it is their 100th anniversary model. We'll start with a C chord, an A minor chord, a G chord, an F chord, a G7 chord, a C7 chord, and then a two-finger D7 chord. We often call it a Hawaiian D7. There's actually no D in that chord when you play it that way. Your ear provides it, but we're not going to do the full bar chord here. We're going to do the Hawaiian D7 version on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. And those are the chords you need to play Dream Lover by Bobby Darin on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Now let's look at baritone ukulele. All right, on baritone, I'll be using this instrument. This is my Flight Iris baritone. It doesn't look like a Flight Iris baritone because it doesn't have the pick guard. I took mine off because it was coming off, and I actually kind of like it plain like this. I've seen Alex Beds from the Southern Ukulele Store, one of the best ukulele stores in the world in the UK, talk about this being the Johnny Cash look, but I do like it like this. So let's start with the C chord. Add one finger for the A minor chord. The G chord. The F chord. Now put your first finger across strings 1 and 2 right above the metal fret. Pull against the fretboard this way. What's really going to be important here is that you're pulling and not pinching. If you try to pinch these chords, you can do it, but it's not comfortable. It's not easy to do. So it's better to pull, add your thumb for some support, and then you get a clear sound on those strings, and then add 2 fingers. Then we've got a G7 chord. Now a C7, you just make the C chord, and then your next 2 fingers just drop in. And then a D7 chord. And those are the chords you need to play Dream Lover by Bobby Darin on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. All right, as it comes to strumming, the first thing that we need to acknowledge is that there was no ukulele in the original version of this song. Therefore, there is not one single right answer. That's always the number one question on this channel, which is, what's a strumming pattern? The catch is there isn't one strumming pattern. There are a million strumming patterns that would work, little different things you could change or add. As a result, I'm not going to give you just one, but I will give you some ideas. But I do want you to understand that there are 3 rules when it comes to strumming. Rule number 1, play the right chord at the right time. Rule number 2, keep a steady beat or a steady tempo. And rule number 3, no matter what you're doing, make sure that what you're strumming matches the style of the music. Now, with that said, there are a couple different things going on that I hear that I'm going to suggest to you. you don't have to use them because there's not one single right answer. I'm not telling you that this is the only thing that you should do when you play this song. But if you have no idea what to do, here's what you can do. The first one is when we have this chord change between C and A minor. Now what I hear is generally an island strum, which is down, down, up, down, up, 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 down. Now I hear one additional thing, which I believe is called a rasgueado strum, where what you do is you hit all the strings, and I hear that happening on beat 2. Now, what happens next? We get this little fun part where Bobby Darin goes, "'Cause I want, yeah, 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 girl, yeah, yeah, yeah." What you're going to do there is this. 2, 3, 4, 1. Now, the next part, and this is the only other really different part, is I would just kind of do this. I did a few different things there. So I was sort of doing sort of a doo-wop beat at the beginning, 4 chords. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then I went into this. Down, down, up, down, up. That's the island strum for the C chord before the G7. And then on the G7, I do this, which is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, playing every basic 8th note, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now, when I play the whole sequence together with the rasgueado, with the yeah, 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 and then the doo-wop, followed by the island strum, followed by the 8th notes, here's what that sequence sounds like. Works really well for the song. And again, if you don't want to use those strumming suggestions, don't. But if you want to, those chords, those strumming patterns will work perfectly for you to be able to play Dream Lover on your ukulele, along with the play-along videos you can find on the UkePlayAlongs channel. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.